So yeah, guys, I just want to tell you something. This is gonna be not that long because, guys, War Thunder is taking up too much space very fast, guys. So guys, sorry, I have to delete it, guys. Sorry, look. One, two,
Tabi mo si Daddy at hindi na ako kakain. Ayoko na kumain. Doon ka sa tabi ni Daddy.
Nakitaan ko ng
now,
kain sa
guys.
Eh, sinasabi ko na yun.
Not. I'm already done, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna check this. This is refluid.
Ha? Hindi ko alam hal eh. Lobat man ako.
Refluid. Now, I guess I cannot
Ha?
play this anymore. Five plus refluid.
Hindi pa niya nababasa eh.
Guys, I'm sorry. I can't play this anymore. Please, let's check here. Check for the game. Yeah.
Promise ka sa akin, ah.
Wait lang.
Okay, papayo na ako. Ano ba kailangan mo? Oo, sige. Gusto naman sabihin mo, Rocket, na madili mo kumaingan.
Alam ko yung vision.
Oh my gosh! Bisa ka? Oh my gosh, magkabi talaga tayo. Sabi ko yung tayo talaga tayo.